What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? Today's video I am super excited for. If you already know by the title, you already know why I'm so excited. So I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get right to it. So for today, we are going to be talking about these three bad boys right here. If you know me, you know I love Friends. Friends is one of my absolute favorite TV shows. I grew up watching it. My dad, my aunt, everybody watched it in my family. So I grew up watching all of them. I literally seen every single episode. My aunt actually has like the collection of all 9 seasons, so I literally have seen it from beginning to end. So I know this show like the back of my hand. So when they said that they were coming out with makeup palettes, y'all already know how excited I was. I wanted to get the big palette. They have a bigger one, but unfortunately it was sold out. But I was able to get my hand on these little mini ones, which I was super excited. They are super cute. They all say the name. So the brand that actually collabed with them is Makeup Revolution, which I do love their foundation, their concealer. I'll be honest, I've never really tried their eyeshadow palettes, so I'm actually excited to see how their formula is as well, besides it being, you know, the whole collab. But like I said, this is the Friends and Makeup Revolution collab. So these mini palettes, I did pick up 3 of them because these were the little mini ones that I were able to get my hands on. So we have the Monica palette, we have the Phoebe palette, and we have the Rachel palette. So they are all 9-pan palettes and they were for $12 each, which I do think it's a really good deal. I mean, I just honestly wanted it because it's Friends. So I think today I'm actually going to use one palette on my eyes and kind of just show you how it is, and then show you 2 other looks, kind of like a fast through motion. So yeah, let's get right to it. All right, primed the eyes, looking good. And then, like I said, I'm gonna be using the Monica palette right here. We are gonna go with, I think we're gonna go with Obsessive first, which is this color right here. I'm just getting a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe brush. Not sure what the name of it is. I just know it was in a little collection. So we're gonna tap in there. Ooh, super pigmented. And we're gonna blend this in the crease. All right, and then for my second color, I think I'm gonna do Geller Cup, which is this one right here. I think I'm gonna put that kind of in the V part. And this is just another Morphe. Ooh, that's pigmented. Ooh, look at that. Back to Obsessive. Blend out. So far, these are blending really nicely. They're pigmented too, which, like I said, I haven't tried Makeup Revolution eyeshadows before. I like them. I like them. So out of all the Friends characters, do you guys have a favorite? Mine, I would definitely probably say my favorite. I used to think that Joey was my favorite because he's super funny, he's super goofy. But as I got older, I realized my favorite is Chandler, only because I just feel like an adult, like he's kind of like how I am. This probably sounds like super depressing, but he's very, if you know the show, like in the show, he's very like funny, always is like humor. And he always talks about how he uses humor to hide his feelings, and like he doesn't want to show his feelings, he always does humor. And I feel like that's me. So I don't know if that's kind of depressing to say, but I definitely feel like I'm more of a Chandler than anybody else in the show. But yeah, he's my favorite character as I got older. When I was younger, I did like Joey a lot just because he's so funny and he's so like goofy and airheaded. But now I am definitely a Chandler. But I do like them all, to be honest with you. They're all hilarious. All right, so next I do want to try Twins, which is this middle color right there. I think I'm going to put that on the lid. I'm just going to use my finger. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know if it's coming up on camera as much, but that is really pretty. These pans are super small, so you might have to put your finger in there a little bit, a couple times. Plus I got chubby fingers, so. I'm gonna go back to Obsessive, which is that first color. Kind of blend. And then go back to Geller Cup, this one right here. So I did finish this eye, so then I'm gonna do this one real quick. Both. This is the final look with the lashes and liner on. I think she looks super cute. I love how it looks. I think it looks so pretty. I really like these colors and they blended really, really well. So I give this a definite A+. So I'm gonna definitely have to use more colors. Like that chef color is super pretty. That Thanksgiving color is super pretty. So I'm definitely gonna have to dabble in this more. But first impression, she cute, she cute. I'm actually gonna use the other palettes as well. I'm just gonna kind of do like a speed through of each one. I'm not gonna sit and like explain each one. I'll show you the color, show you what I use, show me blending it out, and then show you the final look. So let me just get right to it. the Phoebe palette, the Monica palette, and the Rachel palette. And my thoughts on all these palettes is actually that they all worked really well. The only one that I felt was a little bit light was this Phoebe palette, which you can see it's more like pastel-y, like that one and that one. It didn't, not that it didn't blend, but it just took a while for it to like pack on and make an impact. Also for the Rachel palettes, that shade Dinosaur, which is that one right there, that one I had to really like pat, like keep going, but it did work in the end. I do love all of the palettes. To be honest, I don't know which one's my favorite, because I really like how this look came out, but these colors are just what I go for. And to be honest, even like the Phoebe one is pretty too. That blue was gorgeous. So I don't know, I honestly like all three. If I really had to say like one was my absolute favorite, it's probably the Monica palette, just because I feel like I could do more looks with it. It's a little more versatile, but honestly I just love them all. I, you know, just wanted it because it was the Friends collection, but to actually be good palettes is also a plus. Once again, these are only $12 at Ulta. I believe actually too you could use the coupons on these, so don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure you can, because you know, like the $3.50 off of 15, so say you would get like 2 of them. Honestly, either way, it's a really good deal. I just love them because of the packaging. I mean, you can't go wrong when you are a Friends fan. You just gotta have them. Look at how cute this is. I just love it. I honestly just love it for the packaging, and I just love it because it works. So that concludes everything in today's video. I truly appreciate you guys so much. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and the fact that you like my videos. It's just so surreal, and I'm not even like a big YouTuber. I just appreciate you guys, like I always say. I know I've said it like a billion times, but I truly do. I'm glad you like, you know, my content, and I'm trying to come out with more videos for you guys, so just look out for them. But I want to thank you guys once again. Please be sure to definitely subscribe and also ring that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you will definitely be notified. And also, please don't forget to follow my other socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my YouTube, or not YouTube, my Twitter, did I already say that? My TikTok, all of them are the same. I'm on everything basically. It is the Jams2535. And also please follow my business page. It is Jazzy Jewels on Instagram, and also my Facebook group as well. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.